In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off chat on your Wix website. If you no longer want the chat feature showing on your site, Wix makes it fairly simple to remove it directly from the editor. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact process so you can make the change and then publish it, so your live website updates properly. To begin, open your website in the Wix editor. Make sure you are in the correct site before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one website. Once the editor is fully loaded, look for the area where you can manage the apps connected to your site. From there, click Add Apps, and then choose Manage Apps. This section shows the apps currently installed on your Wix website, including features that may be active in the background or visible to visitors on the front end of your site. Inside Manage Apps, find Wix Chat in the list. Next to it, click the arrow to open more options. When the menu appears, select Delete App. This will begin the process of removing the chat feature from your website. After that, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. You will also see a Choose Reason drop-down. Go ahead and select any reason from the list. This step is simply part of the removal process, so you can choose whichever option best fits your situation. Once you've selected a reason, click Delete App to confirm. When the app has been removed successfully, you will see a confirmation message letting you know the deletion is complete. At this point, the chat feature has been removed from the editor. But there is still one important final step to make sure your visitors no longer see it on the live site. Go to the top right corner of the Wix editor and click Publish. This makes your changes live and ensures the chat is no longer active on your published website. If you skip publishing, the removal may only be saved in the editor and not reflected on the live version of your site. And that's it. Thanks for watching.